In this video guys, I'll be telling you how can you clear system data on your iPad. So to clear the system data on iPad guys, you cannot manually delete the essential OS files, but you can reduce the size by restarting your device, force restarting, or performing a factory reset as a last option. So if you want to delete a complete system data, then uh, you can guys go to your general and come over here and tap on transfer or reset data. From here guys, you can erase your all content and settings, or you can reset completely to delete complete system data. But if you not want to delete your whole data, then you can do few things to clear system data. Like you can guys clear the Safari cache. You can tap on this and tap on uh, history and delete guys all your history. Clear your all history to delete like cache file, and like if I tap on this, it will delete all the cache and data of the Safari, because sometimes browsing app also consume lots of data. And you can go to your general in settings and tap on iPad storage, and you can check out which application consuming a lot of memory. Right now you can see the my Chrome browser is uh, consuming a lot of data, so you can delete the app and reinstall again guys to uh, delete you can reinstall the app again to clear lots of storage. And you can also delete, tap on this to empty to delete all the deleted file to delete permanently. So because when you delete any image or any file in your Photos app, then it will be uh, transfer into recent deleted, which also consumes data. So you can delete guys these files as well. And so you can, yeah, this is how guys you can manage your and clear your system data as much as possible. But if you want to clear all data, like all the essential file, then you have a last option to restart your factory reset your iPad. I hope you get it. Subscribe for more video guys. Till then, bye bye.